everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had great holidays and are enjoying the beginning of 2018. This year I decided to create this vision board that you see back here to help motivate me and help me be more productive towards reaching my goals. I just barely hung it up today and I do feel like it makes a difference in my workspace. It just makes me feel a lot more organized and happy about having to work. Rather than seeing work as a negative thing, I see it more as something that excites me because it's going to help me reach my goals. So I definitely feel that is gonna work. And so today I will be showing you guys how to recreate it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So let's go ahead and get started.
So to start, I used a large piece of cardboard, some double-sided tape, something to cut with, some images that represent my goals, and something to write my goals on. So first, I started by writing down my goals and ideas that I wanted on my vision board. I found that the best way for me to plan out my vision board was to categorize my goals and ideas. So first, I wrote down previous accomplishments and things that I am grateful for. That way, I can remember all the things in my life that make me very happy. Next, I made a list of habits that I want to change, such as drinking more water and getting up earlier. Then I wrote down specific goals for this year that I want to and can accomplish. In this list, I suggest being realistic, not cutting yourself short, but considering what you can do in 1 year. That way, by the end of the year, you are able to achieve what you planned and don't feel like you weren't productive. And finally, I made a list of long-term goals, and in this list, you can put anything you've ever wanted to accomplish because you have more time to get there. After writing down my goals, I looked for images online that represented them, and I found all of my images on Pinterest because I like the style of photos that this page has. So I just looked up keywords and saved the images onto a list and then downloaded them to my computer. Once I sorted out the pictures that I most liked, I printed them out and started cutting them. After having all of my pictures cut out, I organized them onto my piece of cardboard the way that I wanted them to look on my board. And once I found the order I liked, I glued them using a glue stick. Using the double-sided tape, I secured my vision board onto my wall. I had to use a lot of the double-sided tape because my wall has texture, but if your wall has a smooth surface, you won't need as much tape because the cardboard isn't very heavy.
So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully got motivated or inspired to create your own vision board. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Again, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!